I'm like Gambit. Gambit. That's my favorite X-Men dude. He was mine too. But he was in the movie. Was he?
Good face expression. Poco, whistling. Poco's whistling. Who'd have thought?
No, you guys are mean.
Yeah.
Constructive stuff as well. So it's been a really good time. And
my name is Ben Pokorney, and I'm a freshman at the University of Michigan. I hail from Sharpsville, Pennsylvania originally. It's a little town north of Pittsburgh. And I'm currently majoring in mechanical engineering. And my main thing is anyone that's known me longer than like 1 or 2 minutes usually can tell exactly who I am and what I'm about right off the bat. Like if you know someone that's known me for an hour, know someone that's known me for 10 years, they all basically describe me the same way. So that I kind of like to put my entire self out on the table and not hold anything back no matter what. But the thing is back before when I was a sophomore in high school, I kind of was very, not really quiet, but I would kind of put a facade as like I was playing football at the time. And then I was like trying to be like the whole big tough jock cool kid in high school, like, and I really wasn't being myself at all, and I don't know why that was, probably from like getting caught up in the whole jock situation. But then when I was a sophomore in high school, the biggest life-changing event in my life happened when my father passed away from pancreatic cancer. So that like completely put my world into a 360 for a little bit, and I decided that like life is way too short to be anybody that you're not. So I quit football, mostly for a combination of it wasn't what I wanted to do, and I didn't want to play if he couldn't see me play. And then I started focusing on having goals in life, and right then I decided I was going to get into the best engineering school that I could possibly get into. So then I started working hard my sophomore year of high school, and then thankfully got into U of M, which I think is the best engineering school in the country. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing.
We're like 4 p.m. There's a meeting.
Just knock him out with your golf club and put a flyer in his pocket, and when he wakes up, pull out the flyer.
Kidnap.
We should just kidnap him.
Yeah.
And then force him.
No, I think even that. Like, I mean, I would say free hugs, not.
Free hugs or drugs.
Hunger banquet. Someone mentioned this to me the other day. Have you guys ever seen Corky Romano? Like when he goes up to the door with his Girl Scout cookies. Like,
You guys want some cookies?
Guys want cookies? You'd be like, we could have cookies. Peace
Why the
cookies.
hell are you dressed like that?
In the shape of peace signs. Guys want some cookies?
I'm dressing up like a
I
Girl
know.
Scout.
What's that place? Like the one that you call like at 3 a.m.? Insomnia cookies, yeah. You could take those around.
Take over the bus. We'll just call them, and then we'll
and then resell them. You know, for profit.
or just like chloroform the people that work there and take over the bus for them.
That's all about, knocking people out, chloroform.
It's for their own good, though.
That's the best idea, but of course, peaceful solution. Maybe for the next meeting.
I think that as far as like, and you were saying something about how involved people are, I think a lot of times if you're gonna like kick people out based on involvement, then a lot of times what you end up doing is the first hour of the meeting you're just gonna spend arguing over whether or not to kick that person out.
Yeah, you're right.
So it should just be like people can be involved or is not involved.
Yeah,
as they want to be.
exactly. Yeah, that's
Because we don't want to have to be arguing over that political
Yeah, we
stuff.
don't have time for that. You're right.
Because like I know in my fraternity, like the first hour of every meeting is like just like arguing over like
Yeah. Grab a chair. I know there's not that many available, but that's a joke. The team leader for the 15th district only, the congressional district. She's like entire Michigan. She has like, the teachers would give like $5 every. Yeah, man. Good seeing you guys.
Are you guys doing?
I mean, I'm probably gonna see you again in 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm gonna be fine.
I'm checking out. Kevin. So let's bring it in.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I normally like group hugs.
You do that too. Peace in on 3. 1, 2, 3. Peace in!
Oh, peace.
Okay, we have to balance it too. Okay, thanks for coming, man. I appreciate it. I'll probably stop by a little later. Yeah.
You stopping by later?
Cool, man.
I'll see you later.
So here we go. This is Students Empowering Students, SES, meeting number 2. Meeting number 2 for a Student Peace Alliance chapter at the University of Michigan, Ann Arbor. So,
Well, I'm doing really well. I mean, finals are this week, but I never really get stressed out about anything because if you're stressed out about something, it doesn't help anything. It just hurts you because you're stressed out. So I'm just ready to finish up with finals, and then school's over next Thursday, so I've got to say goodbye to all the Michigan friends for a few months, but hopefully I'll see them. A bunch of them are going to come to PA, supposedly June 7th for the James Pokorney 5K, which is a race my family does every year. We can't get into that right now, not enough time. But other than that, I'm just overall doing really well. I'm happy, met so many great people this year, looking back on the year, so I'm just overall doing amazing. Couldn't be better.
cool.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
You already went to the bathroom.
I have asked to go again.
All right.
I'll be back.
Right here, I say.
Yeah, as much as I would like to say, like, yeah, but just let anyone join and they can just be as involved or not involved as they want, I feel like we'll just get a lot of people that just want to join, throw it on their resume
Yeah.
and not do anything. And
Should I put that other people who just can't join to throw on their resume?
People who join can't put this on their resume.
Yeah.
Well, I
should.
mean, you can definitely put
No, I mean,
we
you
can
can
put
stop
it on,
them,
but like,
Okay.
we don't want that to be the.
What
We
section-
want
what
people to
section?
join because they want to actually help other people, not because they want to look cool on their resume. I mean, if you want to help people and have it look cool on your resume, that's awesome.
Demonstrate your willingness to help others and not just build your resume.
Because you'd be surprised. I mean,
For sure.
I mean, even me, I'm more guilty of it than anybody. That I was involved in so many organizations
Right, me
in
too.
high school
Oh,
that
me too.
I just didn't do anything with. I was just like, oh, this will get me into
Yeah.
U of M.
Yeah.
Natural Helpers, National Honor Society. Student
Okay, what's the next
Council.
one? Officers. How many officers will there be?
Okay, so we have president, we're just going to do the general president, vice president, secretary, treasurer.
Titles and duties. Oh, yeah.
And then we'll definitely add a few more office positions as we are branched into more stuff. Once we're doing a lot more different things, like some people are doing public speaking, some people may be running something where students that are depressed or have a problem can come and talk to us or something like that. Or students with an idea can come and we'll help them formulate their idea more.
Okay, hold on a
So
second.
actually important to relax the night before
Yeah.
other than cramming all night. That's actually makes you worse. I mean, that's
Good advice.
If you've already pre-studied, if you haven't studied at all, obviously you're pretty much not going to do well.
Like you said, these guys.
My sister had an 8-point improvement on the MCATs when she did nothing the day before the MCATs. When the other time she stayed up all night studying, or most of the night studying. So just go in more relaxed, her mind puts all the pieces together. Good luck, guys.
Yeah.
Yep, thanks.
With finals.
Good luck to you too. See you, Kevin.
See you, Kevin.
All the best.
Thanks for coming by, guys.
Yep, no problem.
And yeah, if you could email me a draft of the Constitution.
Will do.
All
Will
right.
do, man. Yeah.
See you, man.
Yeah.
See you
Take
guys.
care. We'll see you soon.
Yep.
We can. I'll just turn that camera on.
It's about to get crazy in here. All kinds of bags and shit. Videotape.
This is the pre-4th annual Dale Pokorney run at Ben's house.
How do you record?
930 Forest Lane. Just this red button. See?
Yep.
I want 100
Take a large,
Look at Ben.
because someone else needs to meet me. And that's the last meeting. Damn it! I have another meeting for you that's with mine, though. What is this? We run this? Point that camera elsewhere. Sir. I don't know about that. Sir.